In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Synthesia AI free trial, changing outfits. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along almost easily. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type the name of the platform and look for the official website in the results. Take a second to make sure you're clicking the genuine site and not an ad or a lookalike. This helps you land in the right place safely. Once you're on the site, look for the Create option in the interface. This takes you into the project area where you can start making your video. When you're prompted to choose how to begin, select Start from Blank. Starting from a blank canvas keeps things simple and puts the focus on your avatar and outfit choices without any template distractions. Inside the editor, you'll see a canvas in the middle and settings and assets around it. There should be an avatar visible on the canvas. Click the avatar to open its settings. This is where you'll control appearance, gestures, and clothing. To focus specifically on clothing, find and select. See All Outfits. This opens the wardrobe panel, which includes ready-made looks as well as a creative option that lets you describe exactly what you want. Now, make a prompt that clearly describes the outfit you have in mind. Think of it like giving a stylist concise instructions. Include the style, color, and vibe. For example, you might say, navy blazer with a white shirt for a professional presentation, or casual green sweater with subtle texture. Be specific, but keep it short and clear. Descriptors like formal, business casual, minimalist, or vibrant can help guide the results. Avoid brand names or logos. Focusing on general styles ensures smoother results. After you've written your prompt, press Enter to apply it. Give the system a moment to generate and update the avatar's look. If the first result isn't quite right, tweak your wording, change or add a color, adjust the formality, or simplify the description, and press Enter again. You can repeat this until you're happy. You can also switch back and forth between suggested outfits and your custom prompt to compare. Take a quick look at how the outfit sits on the avatar against your background, and check that the colors and style match the tone of your video. When everything looks good, you're ready to continue editing your project as needed. And that's it. You searched for the platform, opened the creator, started from a blank canvas, selected the avatar, explored all outfits, wrote a clear prompt, and pressed Enter to apply it. Simple, fast, and fully customizable.